Welcome back, fellow music explorers, to another episode of 10 Facts. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of Tomorrowland, where enchanting melodies and magical experiences collide. Let's unveil 10 captivating facts about this iconic EDM festival. Fact number 1. The origin story. Our journey begins in 2005 when Tomorrowland first lit up the town of Boom, Belgium. What started as a local celebration of music soon transformed into a global sensation, captivating the hearts of music lovers across the planet. Fact number 2. Themes that transcend. A key ingredient to Tomorrowland's allure is its ever-changing themes. From the elixir of life to the story of Plan Axis, these themes paint the backdrop for unforgettable experiences, as festivalgoers are transported to extraordinary realms. Fact number 3. Spreading the magic. The magic of Tomorrowland doesn't end at its Belgian borders. With editions like Tomorrowworld in the US and the Hymn of the Frozen Lotus in France, the festival's enchantment has touched diverse corners of the globe. Fact number 4. Diverse soundscapes. The beats that resonate through Tomorrowland stages are as diverse as its global audience. From heart-pounding techno to soul-stirring trance, the festival's sonic palette caters to all EDM aficionados. Fact number 5. The majestic main stage. The main stage, a towering marvel, stands at the heart of Tomorrowland. Its breathtaking designs and explosive pyrotechnics elevate performances to unforgettable crescendos, leaving a mark on every attendee's memory. Fact number 6. A tech-infused experience. Tomorrowland seamlessly merges music with technology. The festival's app enhances the experience, aiding attendees in navigating the vast wonderland and even allowing them to share heartbeats with friends across the festival grounds. Fact number 7. Unforgettable connections. Beyond the stages, Tomorrowland is a tapestry of connections. Strangers dance together, friendships are forged, and shared memories are woven into the fabric of the festival's legacy. Fact number 8. Green vibes. Tomorrowland's magic isn't just about music, it's about embracing responsibility. The festival champions sustainability, promoting eco-friendly practices and leaving a positive impact on the environment. Facts number 9. Beyond borders, live streaming. For those who can't physically attend, Tomorrowland's live stream bridges the gap. Music enthusiasts from every corner of the globe can tune in to catch their favorite artists and be part of the global celebration. Fact number 10. Tomorrowland Tribe. Lastly, the Tomorrowland experience isn't just an event, it's a way of life. It unites a tribe of music enthusiasts, creating lasting bonds and shared stories that live on long after the festival lights dim. As our journey through Tomorrowland comes to a close, remember, it's not just a festival, it's a realm of music, magic, and memories waiting to be explored. If you're hungry for more fascinating facts, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on our social media channels for the latest updates.